Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I'm finally back out flying again, this time with the UMX Conscendo. It's been a while. Last time I tried to fly this spinner just shattered, so it was a really short flight. Got my new spinner. It comes along with the props. You can buy the spinner separately. And finally I can test out these lights, this new light setup at dusk, where I've had issue before with all blue lights. Hopefully it goes better this time. Let's get it in the air. Watch this thing. And it just takes off like it's nothing. And yeah, I can tell you, I definitely see it. Works a lot better now for visibility. In complete darkness, the blue lights were okay. But in low light like this, even now, I can barely see them. So yeah, white or yellow, red and green, those are the colors I would suggest. Whew, so good to be back out flying. It's been, I think, a couple of weeks. Been really busy with work, working 10 days straight. Monday full weekend and all the way up until Wednesday. And now it's Sunday, 22nd of December. So I had to take care of Christmas stuff, you know, present shopping, and all the other things I haven't had time for. So another thing that happened during last weekend when I was working, somehow my two dogs escaped the yard. My wife and son were gone, and they probably didn't lock the gate properly. I was working, and when they came back, they saw the gate open and the dog's missing. And this is not the first time they escaped, but this time it was really tough. We couldn't find them. I was working and I couldn't really get away from work. We did go 3-4 times, about 15-20 minutes by car on our street and other streets nearby, but we couldn't find them. And after I was done with work, it was already 9 p.m. It was also snowing a bit, so not the best conditions, and I went out looking for them a few more hours on my own. Still couldn't find them. And as I said, it wasn't the first time they got out, but usually they were in the area and we would find them quick, bringing them back home. And they're not bad dogs. They, I don't know, maybe with animals, other dogs, they might get a bit loud or aggressive, but other than that, they're pretty okay around people. So we weren't worried about that, but you know, things could happen. Car can hit them, or God knows what. And took me several more days. Monday again, I went looking for them in the morning, in the evening, after I was done with work. Still nothing. Then Tuesday again, and there's a lot of fields around here. Fortunately it's winter, so there's no crops, but A lot of unpaved roads. Had to take, lots of houses that are under construction in this area. Ooh, there it goes. Man, I love this plane. Let me take it up high and glide it down. Okay, I can still see it. I don't know if you can on the camera, but I cut the throttle. I'll just glide it down. Yeah, and we were a bit desperate. We've had one of them for, must be over 11 years now, 11 and a half. And the other one for 7 or 8 years. Both since they were puppies. They also grew up with our cats that are even older, so they don't really like other cats, but they get along with ours. Even sleep together sometimes. And Tuesday, of course, went out again looking for them all around our little town that isn't that little. There's a lot of streets, and Tuesday night went out again around 11 p.m. It was dark, so of course I didn't have really high hopes if they were not somewhere on the street or next to it in a field. There would be really hard to see. And again, I drove around for almost 2 hours, and just as I was about to give up and head back home, lo and behold, they were right outside my son's school, and they've never been there with us, so I don't know if they felt our smell or his smell or something like that, or it was just a coincidence, but it's pretty far away from home and mostly in the opposite direction of where we live, the other end of town. It's about 2 kilometers away, something like that. I was so happy. I stopped the car next to them and grabbed them, put them in the back of the car, and yeah, that was a happy ending. I have no idea what they did those 2.5 days. What they ate, where they slept, or they're outdoor dogs, but especially now in the winter we let them sleep inside most of the night till they have to go out. Yeah, I can't imagine how Christmas would have been without them. So yeah, that's what I've been up to in the past couple of weeks. I said Christmas shopping is mostly done. Got a couple of more packages to come. I hope they do. And the 2 days left until Christmas. And hopefully this year it will be a lower pace for us, because we usually leave a lot of things for the last day, for the 24th, like wrapping presents and getting food done. Hopefully we're gonna be all set and have a quiet Christmas. Can't wait to see those presents. Hope there's something RC. There is something I ordered for myself that should be coming in. I might get it just before Christmas. Can't wait to try that out, and hopefully there will be some other RC presents. Ooh, Oh my god, I still have 2 minutes 50 on the timer. Let me check that one. Ooh, the screen is so bright. 10.7, 11 volts, yeah. I have no idea how long I've been flying, but I'm really happy with this light setup. I can see it. Hope you can see it on camera too. And I don't release any other videos before Christmas. I hope you and your loved ones have a great Christmas. Get all the RC presents or even non-RC presents you want. And keep watching my videos. Why not? Okay, let's bring this in for a landing. Ooh, pretty cold outside. My hands are already freezing. Let's see. It says flaperons. Try and set it down. See spoilerons. Okay, there she goes. There it is, the UMX Conscendo. Got the throttle cut on. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great Christmas, and I'll see you next time. Bye.